back to my channel. It's Jaden here, and basically for today's video I thought it would be a really fun idea to show you guys an apartment tour. So basically I live in a studio apartment in Denver, and it has been such a blast. I love every second of it, and I thought it'd be really interesting to show you guys how I live and kind of what it looks like in the space. So with that being said, I really tried making it look super cute and feminine. This is very much like my style for sure, and so I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's head into the tour. All right, so first things first is you obviously open up the door into my apartment, and this is kind of like the walkway. So I have just a cute little keychain holder and then some really fun like mirrors here. A little dirty, not gonna lie. And then over here, I just have my shoe rack, and then of course my cowgirl boots as well. Those are my favorite part. And then of course like a little plant. It's for sure fake. And then we go over here into the bathroom. And so in the bathroom, obviously I have my shower curtain, and then I have a bunch of different like supplies that I use for like hair, skincare, all that fun stuff. And then this says, please don't do coke in the bathroom. I think that's super funny and cute. And then after that, I just have my mirror, my sink and vanity, and then just a cute little cloud-shaped holder that holds like all my daily skincare. My favorite part about the bathroom is for sure the rug. I think it's so freaking cute. I'm obsessed with it. And now on to my bedroom. Okay, so after you go around the corner, then you get into this like little area that becomes my bedroom. And so first things first, I have like my little dresser here, and then just a cute little frame that says it is what it is. It's like felt almost, which I really, really like. I think it's super cute. And then after that, I just have all of my fun like Nike Dunks and all that stuff. I don't really know where to put them yet. I feel like I want like a fun little shelf to like show them off, but that'll be later. And then I have my fun little closet here. This is packed to the brim, so we're not even gonna look in there. And then we come over here, and here is my clothing rack. So again, more clothes, of course. I have all of these fun little like prints that I got from Amazon, and then this heart thing that I also got from Five Below. I wanna say that this is from Party City, and then this is actually a rack from IKEA. But I like to style them all with like very colorful pieces, so obviously that's why it's like spring themed right now. And then we go over here, I have like my fun mirror, my rug that's like a little dirty, not gonna mind that. And then I have my makeup cart, so this is just like my makeup on top, and then fun little like makeup palettes that I have. And then on the bottom is like all my like perfume and I think lotions. And then we have my fun little dresser. This is also from IKEA. And then I have just a nice little TV stand, or TV. And now we can go show you guys my bed. Cool. Okay, so next thing that I have is my bed. You guys, I'm obsessed with it. I love having like the pink Valentine's Day theme. I feel like it's very on par. So again, just have like a white comforter. I think it's from Target. Honestly, most of my pillows are from Target or TJ Maxx, to be honest with you. And then I also have the current book that I'm reading, which is called Divine Rivals. I'm obsessed with this book, you guys. It's so incredibly good, and I think I'm only like 25% in, so really enjoying it. And then we go to my reading corner. Oh, this is my favorite part of my room. I'm obsessed with it, you guys. I just got this couch for Christmas, or I guess it's a chair, but I'm obsessed with it. It is so freaking comfy. I think it was like only $100, so not too bad at all. And then I have all of these prints and that mirror as well from Five Below. I think they are so cute, and they just go with my theme so well. I have this lamp that I got from Target. Again, some cute like little pillows from Target. And then I have this little nightstand that I actually got from Home Depot, I believe. And so on here, I just have my mirror, this cute little vase. I have like a fun little candle, and then some of my favorite books of all time are definitely on there. So love that. Of course, we have our Stanley. You guys, don't forget to hydrate. And now we can go to my desk. Cool. Okay, so now I'm at my desk, which this is also one of my favorite parts just because of how well I decorated it. I have like a cute little cowboy hat. I think I got this from Amazon. This little cowboy boot from Five Below. And then I have just a fun little like pictures. I love traveling. I just graduated college. Oh my god, I graduated a year ago, you guys. That's crazy. And then I also love the beach and the mountains. And then I have my fun little jewelry rack here with like my notebook, all that fun stuff. My laptop, and then this cute little love sign that I most recently got, my Sharpies, and then just some more books, my heart mirror of course, and then all of this I also got from Amazon. And then my favorite part is my book cart, you guys. So my book cart on top has like a bunch of bows and stuff like that. I've really been into bows recently. And then just like my journals at the top, some pencils, and then of course some books and a disco ball, which is super exciting. And then there's my window that reaches out to another building. And then I just have a sticky note that says, why not? Okay, so now we are in my living room, which I also really adore. So basically, I have these little fun pillows that are from Target. And then I love the leather couches. I think it really adds with an accent to the rug. But then I have this little pink coffee stand. I think it's from IKEA. And then again, just lots of fun pillows. I have like a cute little lamp there, a cute little tree that you can also light up. I feel like it's very seasonal for sure. And then over here actually is where my books start. And so I have my little TV stand. And then, so these books are all on the first row, and then the next row is just like a bunch of games, and then the third row is more games. I have like a little blanket pile over there, I guess you could say. And then my favorite and final piece, I know I said that I loved my reading corner, but I also love this the best. Like, this bookshelf is amazing. Again, this is from Target or Amazon, dollar store. All of these books are so incredibly cute and fun. I've almost read, I want to say I've read probably like 75% of them. And then over here, I just have some fun little prints that I painted myself. Don't look too closely. Some of them are a little, you know, not the best. And then we go over to my dining room table. So this I actually got, I think, off the side of a road somewhere, but it totally works. We cleaned it up and it looks amazing. And I just have this little strawberry pot that I thought I could put some like flowers in. I felt like that would be really cute. And then we'll go into the kitchen. So over here is kind of like my bar cart area before you get to the kitchen. So I have all of my fun little Lego flower pieces. Some more books, of course, and then just a little pan that says cheers on it. I don't know. We just got it for shits and giggles. And then a Yeti cooler, and then a fun little game that you could play with your friends. And now we're in my kitchen. I know it's kind of small, but I feel like it's perfect for one person. Of course, we have a dishwasher, thank God for that. And then like our sink, paper towels, fun little roses. And then I have my air fryer. I have so many appliances in here, you guys, like from my crepe maker to my smoothie maker. I love that stuff so much. And then I just have my coffee pot here, fridge, you know. The best thing about this is so funny. This is as far as it goes, you guys. That's it. That's all that we get. So I have to shove it in there, you know, but it's fine. And then we have our stove. And then the final piece is just a fun little closet filled to the brim with cleaning supplies and my coats and stuff like that. So with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making it, and now I feel like my whole place is actually like pretty clean for once, which is really nice. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this, got a little inspiration from it if you are decorating your room as well. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!